With the outbreak of the global pandemic COVID-19, the world has come to a standstill. University of Science and Technology Meghalaya is committed to set an example by creating a safer teaching learning, an ideal destination where everyone feels protected in this pandemic. Though we are in the green zone of Meghalaya, we have been implementing every measure of safety under COVID guidelines. All the classrooms are sanitized before and after the commencement of classes. Hand sanitizers are made available for the teachers and students in each classroom. The university buses get sanitized with disinfectant sprayers before and after each trip. Students are picked up from different locations and their thermal testing is done before boarding. Social distancing is maintained inside the bus and wearing masks is mandated. On reaching the campus, students are deboarded in a proper queue at the main gate, and sanitization tunnels are installed through which each individual passes through. In the lobby area of each block, sensor-based sanitizer dispensers have been installed to enable frequent hand sanitization. In the classroom, only 50% strength is called to class, and alternately, the remaining 50% learns online. Students are made to sit alternately also. Labs are regularly sanitized before the practical session, and it is conducted with only 1/3 capacity. Amenity centers in common areas are regularly sanitized. The library gets regularly sanitized also, and click and collect services are enabled to ensure minimum human contact. In the hostel, cooking area, corridors, toilets and dining area are regularly sanitized. Food handlers, cooks and cashiers strictly follow the rules. At the time of exit from campus, all the individuals are asked to pass through the sanitizing tunnel. Together, let's make a difference and help keep USTM a COVID-free campus and a positive place to learn and work in.